L-Theanine for older adults. Stress relief. Is it safe daily? Older adults often look for natural ways to ease stress and improve sleep. Could L-Theanine be the answer? And is it safe to take daily? L-Theanine is an amino acid found in green tea. It works by boosting calming brain chemicals like GABA, serotonin, and dopamine. Studies suggest L-theanine reduces stress, improves sleep quality, supports focus, and may even help regulate blood pressure. It is generally safe, but mild side effects like headache or stomach upset can occur because it may lower blood pressure. Older adults on medication should check with their doctor first. Typical daily dose range from 100 to 400 milligrams. Morning use can promote calm focus, while evening use supports relaxation and sleep. For older adults, L-theanine is safe for daily use at standard doses. It offers stress relief and better sleep, but always consult a healthcare provider if you take medications. And that is the educational breakdown of L-theanine for older adults in 2025. Would you take it in the morning or evening?